Hey guys, this is Amma from Referrals for you. A video for, of course, preferred. So guys, today I'm going to unbox truly wireless earphones which I bought it from Amazon for around rupees 810 after discount and everything. So this is how the packaging looks like. So let me just open the package. Not only this, but I have ordered a couple of other items. Yeah, so this is Truke Fit Pro which I bought, and this is Speedtron 3-in-1 data cable which I bought it for around 205 rupees or something. I'll be unboxing this product also, and you can check clearly in the I button mentioned above. There is this another product which I bought, and this is Bolt Bass Blast music box which I bought it from Amazon again. This is also the same cost. It's around 810 rupees. That's it. So this is how this is 10 watts actually. I'll be leaving this unboxing video also in the I button. You can check it. So let me just keep it aside. So guys, this is how the product looks like, and you can clearly check it's Truke, and it was something like this. And I ordered black color. On top we have this Truke, and here the power of True Beats, and on top nothing, bottom, yeah, on this side it has up to 20 hours of music, instant pairing, and deep bass, and of course compatible with Windows, iOS and Android mobiles. And this is how it looks. And in the bottom we have the MRP is actually 5,000, but it's around 999 in Amazon, and on the sale I got it for 899, and I used some bank discounts and I got it around 10%. And on the back we have, it comes with Bluetooth 5.0. charging time, it will take 90% it seems to complete, and playtime is of 4.5 hours. The earbuds will be having 40 mAh, and on the case you will be having around 500 mAh. It can support up to 10 meters. Standby duration is 72 hours, and call duration is of 4 hours, and you'll be getting USB Type-C of charging cable. That's great. And guys, there is one more thing. If you want to claim the warranty first, initially within a week of purchase, you should register the product in the Truke website, where I'll be leaving the Truke website in the description below. You can find the best buy links in the description below, so that you can purchase from there in Amazon. And I recommend you to purchase on sale day, because you'll be getting for a very low discount. Now it is around 1,000 rupees, even though for 1,000 also it's most affordable. So this is nothing else in the box, and here clearly check it's true, and it was something like, it has velvet design. I like it actually. So it's look premium in your hand. So let me just keep it aside. So this is how that's all. And yeah, you'll be having a Type-C cable just for charging purposes, and that's it. Yeah, so you have Truke warranty, 12 months of warranty. That is good actually. So this is also the user manual and everything. So let me just keep it aside, and you'll be having had a very good carrying case. In fact, you can check clearly. It's very good in fact. So this is how the case comes like, and yep. This is how it's a dolphin design earphones. So you can check how it is. So this is one earpiece, and yeah, this is another one. This is how it is. And let's discuss about the case. And this is the left earpiece, and this is the right. This is how here you can charge, you can connect it here. On top you have Truke, down nothing else. In the side, on the back you have a USB Type-C. So this is how you can clearly check. I'll be showing. Sorry for that, guys. It's very slippery in my hand. You can check clearly Truke written here properly. It's dolphin fitted. Here you have mics. You can use it as a monopod also. And on the back you have this charging cable, and here you have the speaker grill. Speaker actually, where you can listen to songs and or something kind of. Here you have. So this is how it looks. It's very tiny in the hand. You don't have any rubber buds or something with this. So this is also another one. So you can check it clearly. Yeah, this is how the earphones and everything. So let me just test the sound quality of it. So guys, let me just connect towards my mobile phone. So you can clearly check this product here, and here we have it is used for calls and media playback. So, and the battery level is of 100% as of now. It comes with 100% of charging. That's great out of the box. And here also you can clearly check the battery percentage of it. So without any delay, let me just open a video, play the audio sound of it. And of course it comes with 13mm dynamic drivers. That's great. Even in OnePlus also you'll be not getting, or Oppo and Co also you'll be not able to get it. So you can check the audio quality. So I'm not sure how they are able to get the audio quality. So this is how the audio quality. So let me just test it and get back to you. the sound quality is pretty good and you cannot expect more than that, and I felt it's okay, you can purchase this product. Yeah, the Best Buy links will be present in the description below, and it's only available in Amazon. So this is how the product review. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this product, please mention me in the comment section below. I'll be replying you as early as possible. Yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.